All this week, we've been looking at ways to eat better. One of the biggest challenges that many of us face is how to satisfy our sweet tooth while staying on track. If you're like me and try to totally cut sweets out of your diet, you'll probably end up cheating after a short while. A better option, use moderation and cut back on sugar and fat as much as possible. Let me show you a to-die-for version of tiramisu that does just that. We start by lining the bottom of an 8-inch square baking dish with ladyfingers and drizzling them with some strong black coffee. On top of that goes a layer of sugar-free instant vanilla pudding mixed with some fat-free cream cheese and a little bit more coffee. More ladyfingers go on top, and we finish it with some fat-free whipped topping and a dusting of cocoa powder. A few hours in the fridge and done. This recipe is actually from our friends at everydaydiabeticrecipes.com. Yes, it's still as decadent as traditional tiramisu, yet it only has 83 calories per piece and less than 1 gram of saturated fat. To get this recipe, as well as lots of other lighter ones, all you have to do is go to our website and type in lighter tiramisu. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a skinnier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.